Hey everyone, I'm Greg Hudson and I'm here to bring you some great news. After over 11 years in formulation testing, Green Building Technologies announces the introduction of a liquid resin epoxy which will greatly benefit major industries as well as the environment. Now, the base liquid resin epoxy is totally water soluble and non-toxic, so it can be used on its own or as an additive to concrete, stucco, mortar, and even paints. And when added to these products, it adds increased strength and durability, and it provides increased adhesiveness as well, so it adheres to any surface, including metals. Very important. Now, it carries a fire rating A and is flame resistant in paints for up to 20 minutes. It's water resistant with 0 VOCs, fungicide, mildewcide, and anti-corrosive for interior and exterior coatings. And because it's a non-nutrient, no sea life can hitch a ride. Now, besides all of these benefits, GBT products are 100% green, non-toxic, and no California Proposition 65 chemicals. The resin epoxy products are water-based rather than petroleum-based, so they have the added benefit of being totally safe during and after application. GBT products have been designed to be economical because of their ability to be diluted. Hey, now didn't I say it was great news? It benefits major industries like building construction, industrial, maritime, and a whole lot more. And it benefits the environment and, of course, people. Let's take a closer look. Now, GBT as a cement additive has been proven through independent testing laboratories to have an increased PSI from 1800 to 6300. It has an increased adhesiveness and is water resistant and also biodegradable. Adding GBT to stucco increases PSI from 0 to 1690, and no wire fabric mesh is required. And it takes only one coat and cures in hours. This, my friends, translates into the bottom line in savings. GBT, when added to mortar, has an increased PSI, is water resistant, and has an increased bonding capabilities. This is great for brick-to-brick applications in walkways, driveways, things of that nature. Now, just look at the advantages and benefits when you add GBT to any water-based household paint. Besides being non-toxic with no fumes or vapors, it's non-combustible and it has a fire rating of A and no flame spread for 20 minutes. Listen, if this is not impressive enough for you, look at what happens when you use GBT additives to apply paint to metals. Tests conducted prove that they are 5 times more adhesive on metals when compared to a major paint company's top paint. And in being fire resistant, non-toxic with increased hardening. Just think of the uses for this thing. So now let's take a moment to look at the benefits to the maritime industry. Imagine vessel hulls coated with GBT. Now, besides multiple levels of adhesiveness to metal surfaces, and because it's a non-nutrient, no sea life can adhere. This translates into cleaner, whiter bottoms, less dry docking of your vessels, and fuel efficiency, which means big savings for you. And remember, it's green, non-toxic, with no VOCs or adverse chemicals. Now look, I've shown you just a few of the applications and benefits of the GBT resin epoxy products provide. They're proven, they're green, they're here, and they're now available for you. So what are you waiting for? Check it out for yourself. And on behalf of Green Building Technologies, thanks for joining me.